My name is Judith Mari from class 4. Now today some GP questions. Question goes to class nursery. What is the color of orange? Orange is the right answer. My second question goes to class LKG. How many vowels in the alphabet? 5 is the right answer. My third question goes to class UKG. How many sides in a square? I repeat my question. How many sides is the right answer? My fourth question goes to class 1. Who is the largest bird? Ostrich is the right answer. My next question goes to class 2. The farthest planet from the sun. Neptune is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 3. What is the largest state in India? Rajasthan is the right answer. My seventh question goes to class 4. Which is the smallest state in India? Goa is the right answer. My eighth question goes to class 5. What is the national animal of Sri Lanka?
Elephant.
Elephant is the right answer. My ninth question goes to class 8. What is the oldest name of Mumbai?
Bombay.
Bombay is the right answer. My 10th question goes to class 7. Scientific study of climate is called. I repeat my question. Scientific study of climate is called.
डिस्टेंस तो बना रहे हैं.
This question passes to class 8 to 9. Methodology is the right answer. My 11th question goes to class 8. How many teeth mosquito have? I repeat my question. How many teeth mosquito have? This question passes to class 8 to 9. 47 is the right answer. My 10th question goes to class 9. Which country has more agriculture? I repeat my question. Which country has more agriculture? Singapore is the right answer. My 13th question goes to class 1 to 9. Who is the first